To change or insert new batteries on any Roku TV remote, just turn the remote over, slide open the back cover. To remove the old batteries, you're going to use your finger to gently lift to one end first, and then slightly pull it out from the side opposite the spring so it comes out easily. Do the same for the second battery. Now take the new batteries. If your remote supports a AAA, make sure you got a quality 1 alkaline battery. So check the polarity first. Now please note that the minus side goes towards the spring. Now gently place them in, aligning the plus and minus symbols with the markings inside the compartment. And also, you gotta make sure to replace both the batteries together, not just one. So once they're fitted properly, slide the cover back on until it clicks. Your Roku remote is now ready to use again. So if you have a Roku remote that supports AA batteries instead, make sure you're using the correct type, and you can then insert them the same way with the proper polarity. And that's how simple you can remove and insert batteries on a Roku remote. Thanks.